Hi, this is AK from APN Prestige Group. In the last video, we spoke about why the Sydney property market is not crashing, it is splitting. Now, the next question many buyers and investors are asking is, should I buy a new property or an established property? The answer is, it depends on your strategy. New properties are getting more attention right now, especially because of the latest market and tax changes. They can offer benefits such as depreciation, lower maintenance, modern layouts, better energy efficiency, and stronger tenant appeal. For investors, new properties may also align better with future policy settings that are designed to encourage more housing supply. But here is the important point: not every new property is a good investment. A new property in the wrong location, with too much future supply, weak rental demand, or poor infrastructure, can still underperform. So just because a property is new does not automatically make it a smart investment. On the other hand, established properties can also be very strong. They may offer better land value, stronger location depth, renovation potential, granny flat potential, and access to more established suburbs. For example, an older house close to transport, schools, jobs, and town centers may hold long-term value because the land component is stronger. But established properties also come with risks. They may need more maintenance, repairs, upgrades, pest and building checks, and they may not provide the same depreciation benefits as a new property. So the real question is not simply should I buy new or established? The better question is, which property type suits your budget, borrowing capacity, cash flow, tax position, risk profile, and long-term wealth strategy? At APN Prestige Group, we assess every opportunity using a structured property framework. We look at capital growth potential, rental demand, supply risk, demographics, jobs, infrastructure, livability, cash flow, and exit strategy. Because in this market, buying the wrong property type can cost you more than paying a slightly higher price for the right property. New can work, established can work, but only when the location, numbers, demand, and strategy make sense. So before you commit to a new build, house and land package, established house, townhouse, duplex, or dual income property, make sure you compare the full picture. In this market, buying quickly is not the advantage. Buying correctly is. If you are planning to buy in the next 3 to 6 months, book a property strategy call with APN before you commit. We'll help you understand whether new or established property makes more sense for your goals, budget, and long-term plan.